Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox the January Lookfantastic box. But before we jump into this video, please let me know if you want me to film a tutorial on the makeup look that I'm wearing right now, because I feel like it's super Valentine's ready, and also it took me like 20 minutes to get ready or to achieve this makeup look. So yeah, let me know down below if you want me to film this makeup look. I really like the sparkle. I feel like it's so Valentine's ready, as I said. So if you guys want to see what I got or what we got this month, then keep on watching. Oh, I don't know if you guys remember, but last month I gave away my Lookfantastic box, and the winner was from Canada. She told me last week that she finally got her package. I'm super happy for you, and it took a while because it was the holiday season, and also Canada is so far from Spain, so that's that. Alright, so the box this month is green. Let's see, very cute. I don't know what this B stands for. Let's see, let's find out. Ooh, it says revive, refresh, recycle. Yep, as usual we have the info magazine, and also we have the Elle magazine, and oh my god, Beyonce, wow, she's flawless. Wow, she looks so effing good. Like, look at this. Oh my god. Oh, bitch, look at this. Confidence at his finest. She is gorgeous. I'm a huge Beyonce fan. Like, you have no idea. Oh yeah. So she did an interview with them. I'm going to read this. You bet I'm going to read this. What? Oh. Sorry, my lighting is... Wow. How freaking gorgeous she is. Oh. Yes, honey. You bet I'm going to read that interview. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. And I'm going to open this. Alright. We have again 7 products this month. 7 products. What? Okay, so I think I'm going to start with this glove. I think I know what this is. Makeup remover, maybe? Maybe. So it says reusable makeup remover pads 3-pack. Oh, that's very interesting. It's very fluffy, and I think this packaging is recyclable because it has that film, you know? Yeah, this is how it looks. Alright, so this is worth £7.11. I still don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Anyway, so it says minimize your makeup removal routine with the help of Glov's moon pads. Oh, this is the moon pads, right? The most soothing makeup removal routine under the moon. What? Save up to 150 cotton pads monthly. I don't remove my makeup with cotton pads. I do use, sadly, makeup wipe removers. I'm trying to minimize their use, like in my routine, but I don't know, it's the easiest way to remove my makeup with makeup wipes, so I'm trying my best, okay? Oh, they're so cute. They're pink. So they look like this, and they remind me of the Halo, I don't know exactly the name, you know, the Halo makeup remover, Halo Beauty. Yeah, I'm going to insert a picture right here, but I do have those. I don't find myself removing my makeup as often as I would like to with those, but I do use them sometimes. These are interesting. They are super fluffy and they look a little bit different. Like on this side is a little bit more fluffy, and on this one is not as fluffy, and this side reminds me of the Tati Blenderful. You know, like, what if I'm going to use this to apply my makeup, not just to remove my makeup? Wow, I'm very curious to see how these remove my makeup, so very interesting product this month. Let's see next. I don't know, this one maybe. This is the Sebastian Dark Oil with jojoba and argan oil. Oh, this is the shampoo. And we got the conditioner too. That's nice. Yep, this is the conditioner. So this is by the brand Sebastian, Professional Sebastian, or Sebastian Professional. I've heard about this brand. It's a little bit expensive, but I never used their products. So it looks like this. Alright. And I'm curious to see how they smell. Wow. It reminds me of my boyfriend. It has that masculine scent, which is very nice. The shampoo is not that powerful, but the conditioner is powerful, like it stings in a good way. Okay, so it says dark oil, lightweight shampoo and conditioner, worth £7.92 each, I think. Infused with a special blend of nourishing oils including jojoba and argan, this salon-grade shampoo and conditioner duo effectively cleanses and conditions hair without weighting it down. Use regularly to see noticeable improvement in softness, volume and shine. You bet I'm going to use them. Ooh. What's this little bottle? This is the Moisturizing Serum. Fragrance-free. Ecooking. Wow, that's interesting. It says Moisture Boost, made in Denmark. Let me see how this smells. I'm weird like that. Oh, so it's a little bit sticky. You see that? Oh, it says fragrance free. Doesn't smell. Alright, so this is by the brand Ecooking. It has 10 milliliters and is worth £21.50. It says replenish lost moisture and hydrate your skin with this weightless, non-greasy moisturizing serum from Ecooking, full of hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm all about that life. Reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, yes. Vegan and free from parabens and fragrances. I'm excited to try this one. Everything it says reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm all about that life. Please come into my life and rescue my skin. I'm excited to try this one. Alright, so next I'm going to go with this one. It says Mio Fit Skin for Life Boob Tub Plus Multi-Action Bust Cream. What? So this is for my boobies. It says moisture, brighten and protect, high intensity body care. What? Alright, so this product may vary. There's like 3 options. So I got the boob tube, and this has 30 milliliters and is worth £9. It says these antioxidant-rich creams effectively tone and smooth the appearance of skin, revealing soft, firm, fit skin for life. Infused with a wide mix of beneficial ingredients including papaya, hyaluronic acid, green tea and caffeine, these products will look after your skin from top to toe. Alright? I'm intrigued, like what this will do for my boobs. I wanna smell it. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, so it says that you can apply this on the neck, chest and boost and it makes the skin look more toned, healthy and smoother. So we have left only 2 more products. I'm going to go with the tea tree oil. This is by the brand Sport Stick. Soothing and effective Australian Bodycare. This has 9 milliliters and is worth £9.99, and I'm curious. I am curious. Oh, it looks like this. Very cute. Oh yeah, as I said, roll on. I'm curious to see if this smells. Wow! Yep, it smells. It's very potent. Oh wow. Alright, so this absorbed into my skin super quick and it left a kinda sticky residue behind, but it's not that sticky, and also it smells fuerte. I never used tea tree oil before. I don't know. I mean, it has a lot of beneficial properties, but I never use it, and I don't know how to use it or what for. Alright, and last but not least, we have a pencil. This is by the brand Lord & Berry. It says made to measure lip color. So this is a lip pencil in the shade Just Naked. I did have some pencils from them but never used them. Sorry. So this is the full size, as we can see, and is worth £15. Let's see the color. It's kind of dark for my liking, but oh no, obviously the color is nude. Nice color, Lord & Berry. Nice color. No, I'm not gonna apply it right now. It feels very creamy. I mean, not that creamy, but it feels creamy. I like the color. Also, I forgot to say the theme for this month is the Revive edition, okay? Alright guys, so this is the January Lookfantastic box. To be honest, I'm excited to try all the products. Like, I'm super curious to see what that boob cream does for my boobs. Like, it will work? I'm curious to see that. Also, this serum is very interesting. How those microfiber pads will remove my makeup, the shampoo and conditioner. I'm excited to try everything, as I said. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys are subscribed to Lookfantastic and if you got the same products as me this month. So, let me know down below, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.